Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how Michael Jackson do the pointing move, and it is as powerful as a punch in the martial arts. I don't know it's karate or jiu-jitsu, I don't know about it, but I recently watched a video that Michael Jackson's kick is equal to a black belt martial fighter, martial art fighter, right? Sorry, my English is not good, but okay, so you get my point, right? Okay, so as you can see, how Bruce Lee, right? Bruce Lee, the legend, punch like this, and then you will see how Michael Jackson do the pointing. Pa! It has the same principle. Okay, so in order to have a powerful punch, the forces must be focused on this one point, right? Pa, pa. Okay, so you see here, and the thing is, you don't use the force to have the wah like this. You have to have to use the force from the beginning. No, as far as I can remember, you just relax the muscle like this, and but from this one, pa, then like for example, this is the enemy. You don't do the force, pa, because you have the force muscle like this. It's strong like this from the beginning, but when you punch like this, the muscle is tired, and it doesn't have the full force at the end. Okay, so you have to relax and pa, relax here, pa. Okay, so pa. So so the same with Michael Jackson pointing. Okay, so you have to relax with the muscle here. Okay, so very soft, and but with near the end, and then you go pa. Okay, pa. Okay, so you see, so don't use all the force to go like this, but pa. Okay, so pa. So another trick is you try to catch something, okay, and quickly as possible. So you catch a mosquito, yeah, pa, 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 pa. Okay, so pa, you just pointing with the full force at the end. Okay, pa. Okay, so you see, it's just like a martial art. Okay, so you practice with this punch, and then you go like this, punch, right? So for the same principle, when you do the Michael Jackson dance move practice for beginning, from beginning, you have to practice with this one, pa, 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 pa. American, pa, pa. That's just like Spider-Man, huh? Pa. Or maybe because Michael Jackson like Spider-Man also, right? Pa, pa. Okay, pa. Okay, so as you can see, you can relate Michael Jackson dance moves to other moves, even it is ballet or martial arts or anything. Okay, so if you have any question or any opinion after watching this video, feel free to comment below. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye.